Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about why Tesla stock was set to explode in 2023. Stay tuned. So Tesla released their Q3 earnings call just a couple days ago. After the Q3 earnings call by Tesla, the market has a very negative sentiment on the Tesla stock moving forward. This is mainly due to the fact that Tesla's revenues in Q3 of 2022 failed to reach the expected revenues that analysts had projected. And I find the negative sentiment very premature. The Q3 expected revenues of $21.96 billion were just under the $21.45 billion that Tesla had reported. But regardless of the revenues, Tesla also reported some really good metrics. Their earnings per share hit $1.05 versus their expected 99 cents. Net income hit $3.33 billion, which was more than double last year's net income. And that could be mainly due to inflation, but it shows that demand is still steady and it's still growing. On top of all this, automotive revenues rose 55% since Q3 of 2021, marking a very steady, strong demand in the automotive industry. So demand is still very high for Tesla vehicles. Within Tesla, their automotive revenues accounted for $18.69 billion in just automotive sales, which was an all-time high. So to summarize, we see earnings per share increasing from their expected. We see net income more than doubling since last year's. We also see the automotive industry's revenues rising by 55% since last year. We see that Tesla's automotive revenues hit all-time highs. So why do I think Tesla is going to explode in 2023? To look into this, I'm looking at the economy at a macro level. The Biden administration announced that it's going to release 15 million barrels of crude oil from its petroleum reserves set to be delivered in December. So the release of this reserve will bring the U.S. emergency supply of crude oil to its lowest level since 1985. So with the Russia-Ukraine war still ongoing, the ban on Russian oil imports doesn't seem to go away in the near future. Basically, supply of this crude oil will start to diminish rapidly. Supply is going to hit record lows, while demand will continue to either stay steady or continue to grow. And we've seen what happens, right, in 2020 and 2021, where supply of any sort of product has gone down, but the demand has either stayed steady or has increased. Take, for example, computer chips, housing, as well as even just toilet paper in the past couple of years. We've seen the prices for those products go up tremendously due to low supply with a steady or increasing demand. As the supply of crude oil starts to diminish even more, we'll see an increased price in crude oil barrels, making consumers consider the option of buying an electric vehicle in the future. Tesla right now is the leading EV car maker. There's no denying it. We've seen the competition, right? We've heard the rumors, we've seen other car companies start to create their EV vehicles, but none of them are on par with Tesla's. If you've ever ridden in a Tesla, and if you've ever ridden in another car company's EV vehicle, you'll notice the large gap between the features, the efficiency, as well as the technology behind these cars. And I am not sponsored by Tesla. I have no affiliation with Tesla. I don't even own a Tesla vehicle. This is just simply my perspective from what I see. With automotive revenues 55% higher than last year's, it marks for a pretty good future outlook for Tesla to explode and to reach all-time highs in its market cap. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Please like and subscribe for more comment below. Thank you.